Hey, yo, you wrestleholics. Sorry about that. Today I'm gonna be eating raw ramen. I already took the corn and all the other crap out. So, I would just try to get the actual noodles out. Which is probably gonna be pretty difficult. So I'm just gonna break it. Oh, there we go. Huh. That actually looks appetizing, weirdly. Let me just break some of this stuff off. So, this is, sorry, this is probably gonna be bad. Okay, so here we go. Surprisingly, not half bad. I mean, it's really salty. It's good. I'll admit it, it's freaking good. But, yeah, it is really good. So, let me just take another bite because this actually is really good. If you wanted to, you should try this. It might seem disgusting to you, but damn, it's good. No, let me just try the corn. Ugh. It's like, it's dry. Well, no shit. The corn by itself, like the dried up corn, is not that good, but the ramen noodles are freaking delicious. Cooked or not, call me a weirdo, I don't care. Yeah, but if you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe. Sorry for the late upload, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas for all who celebrate it. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. Whatever else that I'm forgetting, those are the only three that I know of. I'm sorry. If there's something else, write in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Love ya. Merry holidays. Happy holidays. Presents. Oh, hold on. Before I leave you, there is actually a big announcement. Yeah, my goal for 2013. No, not 2013. That was 2 years ago. 2014. 2015. Shit. 2015 is I would like maybe freaking setting the bar real high. But I don't care. I think we can do it. For the goal for 2015, I will put in the next video. Suspense, baby. Suspense. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye.